Hello beautiful souls and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be discussing something super important, your growth journey. Whether you're working on personal development, self-love or in achieving a very big goal, we all hit roadblocks at some point, and guess what? These roadblocks are actually mistakes we make without even realizing them. But don't worry, I'm here to help you spot them and avoid them so you can keep growing with confidence. Let's dive right in. Hello, love, and welcome to my own space on YouTube. If you're simply connecting with me for the very first time, my name is Jesse Jessie. Over here, we discuss topics that are meant to enlighten you, topics that are meant to help you become a better version of yourself, topics that are meant to help you attract success in every areas of your life. So, if these are your own core values and you have interest in becoming a better version of yourself, then hit the subscribe button. Do well to like this video, comment, stick to the very end because you'll be glad you stumbled upon this video. If you've not grabbed a copy of my recently released ebook on a journey to self-love, do so to grab your own copy at the end of this video. Self-love is not a destination, it's a lifelong journey. You do not arrive at a place and call it self-love. Self-love is a continuous process. So if you know that you're in a journey to becoming a better version of yourself and loving yourself and embracing the beauty in your journey, and it doesn't matter where you are on this journey, at the beginning, at the center, or you're far ahead on this journey called self-love, you need to grab a copy of this my ebook. It will enlighten you, it will shed so much knowledge into the beauty of your growth, and it will help you embrace a better version of yourself and love every single part of your journey, because you are unique, you are loved, and you are special only if you're ready to embrace the authenticity in you. So do well to grab the copy of my recently published ebook on a journey to self-love. So let's shortly dive right into the topic of today's episode. Common mistake people make on their growth journey. Mistake number one: expecting instant results. Raise your hand if you've ever started something new, maybe a fitness journey or a new mindset shift or simply a new skill and expected results like right away. Yep, we've all been there. You need to understand that real growth takes time, and instead of it being discouraged and feeling like, oh, when am I going to see my results? Where's the result? And focus on consistent progress. You need to understand that every drop actually eventually will make an ocean. Every step you take will actually lead you closer to achieving that goal. So rather than being discouraged and feeling like, where's the result? You need to be consistently making progress, because that is how you achieve a goal. No one starts a new thing and expects instant growth, not even here on the street of YouTube. Everything takes time and consistent progress. Moving on to mistake number two: the fear of failure. Now, this is a very big one. So many people actually let the fear of failure stop them from even trying. But the truth is that there is no success without failure. A mistake is actually a lesson. And what feels like a setback is only an opportunity to grow. The fact is, there's nothing you would start right now that you would not have to fail before you get better at it. So you need to learn to embrace failure. You need to embrace the idea of failing to actually achieve success. If you're not ready to fail, you're simply not ready to succeed. And if you're not failing enough, it means that you're actually not putting in enough effort. You're not trying enough. You're not trying new things. If you're not failing at anything, if you're not failing enough in life, it actually goes to tell that you're not trying anything new. So this is me giving you more an advice today. Start something and fail at it. It's only what help you learn something new. Now moving on to mistake number three. Mistake number three: comparing yourself to others. Ever scroll through Instagram and see people that their life seem to be perfect? People who seem like they have it all figured out, and then you start comparing them to yourself. I know that we've all done so. You need to understand that comparison is the thief of joy. Comparison will only steal your joy. You need to learn to embrace your own journey and understand that you're growing at your own pace. Your journey is yours, unique. You need to stop focusing on every other thing you see on social media, because no one is actually suffering on social media. Everyone looks like they're living their best life. You need to stop comparing yourself to somebody else Instagram highlights and Instagram reels, because you all need to understand that nobody is really posting their real struggles on social media. So kill that spirit of always comparing your journey to another person's journey or comparing yourself to someone else's, because at the end of the day, your story is yours and you're growing at your own pace. You need to learn to embrace who you are and embrace your own journey and be proud of who you are and be proud of your own journey. Moving on to mistake number 4 that people always make on their growth journey: ignoring their emotional and mental well-being. Whoever said that growth is about hustling, hustling, hustling lied to you. Growth is not about non-stop hustling. If you're ignoring your mental and emotional well-being, just know that burnout is just around the corner. You need to understand that as much as you're determined to achieving your goals, you also need to know how to take breaks, set boundaries, and practice self-care. Because at the end of the day, a great foundation makes growth sustainable. So you need to understand that you are the foundation. You need to take care of your mental, emotional, and also physical well-being, because health, as they always say it, is wealth. Now let's move on to the final mistake that I'm going to be stating in this video on the common mistakes that people make on their growth journey. Mistake number 5: not celebrating your small wins. I don't know why so many of us wait till we hit that big goal before we celebrate ourselves, but that's wrong. Every step deserves to be celebrated. When we celebrate our small wins, it keeps us motivated and keeps us, craving for bigger and bigger wins. When we appreciate and acknowledge our growth, we are just acknowledging every step we take, because at the end of the day, you're taking a step and it is valid. It is valid and you deserve to celebrate it. Both the big wins, both the small wins, you deserve to celebrate every milestone you take. Because at the end of the day, it is an evidence that you're going forward. It's an evidence that you're doing that which needs to be done. It's an evidence that you're pushing, you're not giving up, and you need to celebrate it, because there are some people that are not even trying at all. So every step, every small win, every little milestone, it deserves to be celebrated. You deserve to be celebrated. Now, that is the 5 common mistakes that a whole lot of people make on their growth journey that I just wanted to explain and state to you how to spot these mistakes and how to avoid them. Whenever you see this mistake coming across, whenever you find it in any part of your journey, you need to know how to tackle these mistakes and how to also avoid them. Keep yourself motivated, keep yourself inspired. I always encourage people, focus on growth communities like my channel. Focus on people and places and things that actually enlighten you, enrich you, and makes you a better version of yourself, like my own channel. So if you found this video very helpful, do me a favor right now to hit the like button, leave a comment below, leave your thoughts in the comments, and any question you may have relating this video. I'm here to answer any questions you may have. And if you've not already subscribed, now is the chance for you to do so. Do not leave or tune off from this video without hitting the subscribe button. Do me a favor to subscribe to my channel, because this is a community called Growth Community. We are all determined to becoming a better version of ourselves in this community. We are all helping each other grow. And when you subscribe, you're helping me grow. And me too, when I share all these videos, I'm also helping you grow and encouraging your growth. So do well. Let's connect together. I love to call my subscribers my soulmates. You are my soulmates, in case you do not know, because it takes beautiful souls to recognize another beautiful soul. So soulmates, do me a favor right now, hit the subscribe button and share this video to family and friends and anyone you know that would literally need this video. Thank you very much for this session, and see you in my next video. Do not forget, I love you so much. Keep pushing, keep trying, and understand that you are loved, you are validated, and you deserve to be celebrated every single day. Do not forget, Juicy loves you. Bye for now, and stay blessed.